Finland is one of the best countries in the world for launching an online business, and in 2025, the opportunities are bigger than ever. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a freelancer, or someone looking for remote income streams, Finland provides an ideal environment to build a thriving digital business. But what exactly makes Finland such a great place for online entrepreneurship? Let's dive into the key reasons why Finland stands out as the perfect launchpad for online success this year. First, Finland has one of the most advanced digital infrastructures in the world. The country boasts ultra-fast and reliable internet connectivity, even in remote areas, ensuring seamless online operations no matter where you are. Whether you're in Helsinki's bustling city center or relaxing in a countryside cottage, you can easily manage your online business with no connectivity issues. This digital advantage allows entrepreneurs to run e-commerce stores, online coaching businesses, content creation platforms, and tech startups with maximum efficiency. Next, Finland's workforce is highly skilled and digitally literate. Finnish professionals are known for their technical expertise, innovation, and problem-solving abilities, making it easier for business owners to hire remote talent for tasks like software development, marketing, design, and customer support. If you're looking to scale your business or need reliable freelancers, Finland offers a talent pool that is highly educated and well-versed in modern technology. One of the biggest advantages of launching an online business in Finland is government support. The country actively encourages entrepreneurship through various grants, startup funding programs, and tax incentives designed to help businesses grow. If you have a unique business idea, there are multiple avenues for securing funding that can accelerate your startup's success. Finland also has a straightforward and transparent regulatory system, making it easy for entrepreneurs to navigate legal requirements without excessive bureaucracy. Finland's commitment to sustainability also opens doors for eco-friendly online business models. Consumers in Finland and across the Nordic region are highly conscious about environmental and ethical business practice, presenting a great opportunity for businesses that focus on sustainability. Whether you want to sell eco-friendly products, offer green consulting services, or build a brand around ethical consumerism, Finland provides a receptive market. The country has strong trade connections with Europe, Asia, and North America, making it easier for online businesses to expand globally. Finnish entrepreneurs enjoy the benefits of operating within the European Union, allowing them to reach customers across borders with minimal restrictions. If you're looking to scale your online business beyond Finland, the opportunities